Mentor Guide, AI/ML Deep Learning, Sankey Flow for ERP Domain. AI Model by Pradeep K. Suri. Compass purpose of the video. This Sankey diagram-based animation is a visual teaching tool designed to explain the flow of data through a deep neural network, DNN, in the context of an ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, system. As a mentor, the goal is to help ments understand how raw data is transformed into actionable decisions via AI models. Brain key teaching points by animation step. Step 1, Input layer, real-world signals. Nodes. Sensor readings. Student scores. Hospital vitals. Mentor explanation. These represent the raw, unprocessed data collected from ERP systems. Think of IoT sensors in manufacturing, academic results in education ERP, or vitals in a hospital ERP. Lightbulb mentoring tip. Ask ments to list domain-specific inputs from the ERP they're familiar with, example attendance logs, sales orders, raw material inventory. Step 2, Hidden Layer 1, Feature Extraction. Node, Hidden Layer 1, Feature Extraction. Mentor explanation. This layer mimics how the AI model identifies meaningful patterns, such as peak load periods or outlier student behavior, by extracting critical features. Brain challenge. Have ments describe what features might be extracted from their input data sets. Step 3, Hidden Layer 2 and 3, Learning and Activation. Nodes. Hidden Layer 2, ReLU activation. Brain definition. The ReLU function is defined as ReLU, x, equals max, 0x, backslash text ReLU, x, equals backslash max, 0, x, ReLU, x, equals max, 0x. If the input x0x0x0, ReLU returns XXX. If x less than or equal to 0x backslash lec 0x less than or equal to 0, it returns 0. Hidden Layer 3, Deep Learning. Mentor explanation. These layers apply activation functions to the data. ReLU, for instance, filters out negative noise while deeper layers learn complex decision boundaries. Direct hit objective. Encourage ments to implement a small neural network in Python with ReLU. Step 4, Output layer, Decision outputs. Nodes. Predicted outcome. Decision output. Mentor explanation. The AI makes a decision, like predicting a production delay, generating an invoice forecast, or recommending a staff shift change. Bluebook mentorship task. Let ments write simple logic to map predictions into business rules, example if delay to HRS, notify supervisor. Step 5, Learning mechanism, feedback loop. Nodes. Error calculation. Weight update, backpropagation. Mentor explanation. This is where AI learns by adjusting weights based on the error in predictions, just like students learning from test feedback. Repeat button tool tip. Introduce tools like TensorBoard or Keras loss graphs. Step 6, Deployment, practical ERP use. Nodes. ERP. Hospital system. Education dashboard. ERP domain. Mentor explanation. The final decisions get embedded in real-world systems, an ERP dashboard, a school reporting app, or a hospital control panel. Bar chart real-world example. Show ments how a prediction engine is deployed in SAP, Odoo, or MS Dynamics. Card index dividers summary, mentor talking points. Stage key focus area mentors strategy. Input layer real-world data connect to ERP modules, example logistics. Hidden layers learning and feature transformation use analogies, AI brain neurons. Output layer decision making map to dashboards and alerts. Learning mechanism model accuracy improvement explain backpropagation visually. Deployment ERP integration real use cases, billing, HRMS, inventory. Mentor. Use these while narrating. Now the AI receives live data from ERP sensors. Let's see how the neural network transforms it layer by layer. Here comes the prediction. What decision does the system make? This is how AI learns from mistakes, just like we do. Finally, our AI decision flows into an ERP dashboard for use. AI/ML Deep Learning and DNN, AI Engine. Here's a structured explanation for mentors based on typical AI mentorship goals and this video's context. Mentor Guide for Training on AI/ML and Deep Learning, DNN Engine. Direct hit objective of the video. This video is designed to visually explain the architecture and flow of an AI engine using deep neural networks, DNNs. It is ideal for mentorship programs aiming to introducing AI/ML concepts to ments. Demonstrate the structure and purpose of DNN layers. Encourage domain integration, manufacturing, healthcare, ERP, etc. Show practical deployment insights of an AI engine. Brain key sections for mentoring. 1. Introduction layer, input layer. What to teach ments. The role of the input layer as the sensing system of an AI model. Examples, raw data such as sensor readings, student scores, hospital vitals. Mentorship tip. Use relatable, domain-specific inputs, manufacturing sensors, medical diagnostics, or student records. 2. Hidden layers, learning and processing. Key concepts. Each hidden layer represents a transformation of data. Activation functions, example ReLU, sigmoid, simulate how AI learns. Multiple hidden layers allow deep feature extraction. Mentorship application. Assignments to visualize what each hidden layer might be extracting. Encourage debugging mindset, what happens if a layer is too shallow or deep. 3. Output layer. Purpose. Translates the processed data into predictions or decisions. Example, defective product, risk level, recommended action. Mentor's role. Explain how outputs can feed into decision systems or dashboards. Guide ments on using output confidence scores, example softmax probabilities. 4. Backpropagation, learning mechanism. Visual focus. Show how the model updates weights based on error. Link to mathematical concepts, gradient descent, loss functions. Mentor strategy. Use analogies like teacher correcting students' mistake based on test results. Introduce tools like TensorBoard to visualize this. 5. Deployment and use case mapping. Real-life scenarios. Embed the AI model into ERP, education analytics, hospital diagnostics, or retail. Mentorship activity. Ask ments to pick a domain and map inputs rightward arrow hidden processing rightward arrow output decisions. Bluebook mentorship tasks based on video. Task description. Task 1. Identify 5 real-world features to feed into an AI engine. Task 2. Design a 3-layer neural network with your own naming for each node. Task 3. Simulate a simple dataset and trace its journey through the DNN. Task 4. Discuss model improvement, add dropout, batch norm, or optimizer tweaks. Task 5. Present how your AI engine output can assist decision-making in your domain. Studio microphone mentors narration pointers, voice-over style. This is where the model listens to real-world signals. Each layer here is like a teacher interpreting patterns in student answers. By adjusting these weights, the AI model becomes smarter with experience. Pushpin conclusion. This video is a practical and visual companion for mentorship programs, helping ments see, understand, and implement AI/ML concepts beyond theory. Thank you for watching the video.